Alright boys, before we start today's upload, just want to let you know the Hard Work Force giveaway is still live. You guys have a really good, trust me, you guys have a really good chance to win if you enter. So check it out, hardworkforce.com. We have a bunch of new stuff. If you didn't check it out, make sure to check it out. Unfortunately, 10-time entries, they are gone, but we are running 2-time entries. So every dollar you spend, you get 2 entries. It's still a really good chance. And remember, you miss 100% of the shot if you don't take it. Take your chance. This thing is worth like $600 because it's the bundle. Remember, it's the bundle, SD card, everything else is included on that, right? I hope you guys support Hard Work Force. Also, even if you don't win, you get a nice merch. Everything on our website's really good quality. Hats, hoodies, everything you can get, right? I hope you guys support Hard Work Force and also enjoy today's upload. Perfect day for a car delivery, right? Not really, but doesn't matter. We are taking the delivery of the new car today. What's up guys, welcome to the vlog again. Matty here as always. Thanks so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. You are not wrong. I don't even know how it's gonna be the thumbnail, but it's gonna be probably something about Carvana, where I got the new car. It's on its way to be delivered. Again, this car is not for me, it's for my wife, mainly for our family. So don't be surprised what it is, but I just want to share with you guys the experience and see if the car is exactly what I bought it, because I didn't see the car at all. I mean, I saw pictures, of course, but if you don't know Carvana, and I'm not getting paid to say this, it's just because I'm sick and tired of going to the dealer and deal with all the, you know, fees that they don't want to show you. They don't want to give you a breakdown. I don't know if you guys remember, that happened with the Corvette when I bought it. That's why I flew to Texas, because in New Jersey and New York, damn, people don't want to be honest. I mean, I don't want to say that, but that's kind of how I feel. Every time I saw a car, I try to say, hey, just give me a breakdown of your fees. I'll pay. If that's the case, I'll definitely pay the fee. No worry about it. But they never did, and they don't want to do, which is unbelievable. At least for me, it's like mind-blowing. Why you don't want to show, you know, your fees? But anyway, so what we did, I was looking for a Jeep. It was hard to find. My wife has somehow a passion for this car, because we had one before, like back in the days, and we just found one, was a good deal. And now the challenge is, it's the car gonna be exactly the same way we saw online. That's gonna be the challenge. So I'm gonna show you guys. That's a good thing about Carvana. They deliver to your house. You don't need to worry about it. So the paperwork, everything is done, and I have 7 days to return the car in case she doesn't like it. And keep my fingers crossed that she likes, because then this thing is over forever. I need to clean the garage, because if you guys remember, her car was normally parking here. But I didn't have all this kind of stuff that we have now, and that's what I need to do. I need to clean it up. Instead of making you guys waiting, let's just do the internet magic. Boom, just like that. It's not perfect, but it's better, right? And the goal here is have enough space so we can open the car's door. The only problem with my garage though, it's like, of course, it's not high enough, and also I don't have too much space here. As you can tell, the Corvette is like almost touching stuff there, because I was doing something on the back. But over here I have too much stuff going on. I have the headers that we're gonna install really soon, my generator, the blower, and I still have some stuff like on the basement. By the way, you guys saw a couple episodes ago, I was building a wall, and there's the wall. It's done. I didn't do anything because you guys didn't know if you guys want to see or not. So, you know, when you record, you spend way more time doing it. But that's the wall. So just an update for you. Now, I'm going to move the truck out of the way. Now it's feeling like a winter. If you guys are OGs, you guys gonna remember that I always during the winter, and when my wife had the other car, I was parking the car here. Crazy. When we got this house, I wasn't planning to do this entire car thing that I'm doing now, which is crazy. It's ridiculous how far we got. Like, and I didn't even know that I was able to do a lot of stuff by myself like I'm doing it. So the only thing I wanted is like 2-car garage. I didn't look at the size and anything else, but my dream now, and thank the Lord that our property allow us to do this, is to build a shop right here in front of you guys. You see that my property goes all the way back there, so if I can build like maybe a 2-door shop, very high, like that I can put a lift on it. This is my plan in the next few years. No idea how I'm gonna get there, no idea how I'm gonna do, but one thing I know, I will work really hard to do this, and that's the plan. So can you imagine it? This would be just the regular car garage, and over there would be like, I don't know, I probably could feed like 4-5 cars there with a lift, and I still have my driveway that I can put like another 4 or 5 cars. Easy. Of course you have to move back and forth, but we don't have any plans to moving out of here unless something happens in life, and you cannot make plans that long, but one of my dreams is to build a shop over here. It would be more like a large garage than a shop, but I would have all my tools, a lift, at least one lift for sure, and that would be the dream. So anyway, that's just my plan. The other good thing about Carvana, I mean not the other so far, because we don't know how the car is gonna be, you can track the truck with the car on your phone.
A few moments later.
They just got here. Dude, I'm gonna switch to the GoPro and then we're gonna get the new car. The bad part is the weather. But what's up, man? I got my wife Nissan Murano. The thing is, my wife is all about smell, so I gotta make sure that they smell it's good, and I'll explain to you guys why we got this, but so far I think that's exactly what she wants. I'll take it for a drive here, and that's, you guys see, they deliver to you, and they deliver to you. I need to do like a test drive to make sure the car drives and, you know, does whatever it's supposed to do. Let's go for a drive. I feel like there's something loose in the bumper, but maybe it's like the spare tire. It's a 2015 Nissan Murano. We had one before, and this thing drives like a champ, and I'm saying, like, for our family, that's what we need. The only thing about Carvana though, they could put like some gas on it, but so far the first experience is fine. There's like a smell. I don't know if my wife's gonna complain, but I'll try to do something about it, clean it up, the seats a little bit, and then should be it. But that's the new car. It's a 2015 Nissan Murano, and we bought 100% online. The first time I saw the car was when you guys saw it. Why we went with the Murano? It's because we need space, and we need something reliable, and we need something affordable. As you guys know, I'm against car payments, I'm against lease, so we bought this car in cash. So we don't own anybody, we don't own anything, and overall we had one Murano. Before the truck, I had a 2013 Nissan Murano. This is a 2015 Platinum Edition. This car, it's fully loaded, like comes with everything you can imagine. The only thing that doesn't come with, it's sunroof, which is not a big deal for us. I like it, but for the price you cannot beat. And overall, this car, it's like brand new for a 2015. Whoever was the owner took really care of it, as you can tell. I'm just showing you guys the experience. I know this is not a car that you modify, it's not a car that you do like crazy stuff, but it's a car for your family, and that's the one that's gonna take care of us in a long time. The tires are in good shape. As I said, inside you can see it's leather. It's like a brown leather, and you have like heater seats on the back. You have a USB port over here. You have a lot of space in this car. It's unbelievable. I really like this car though. It's a lot of technology for the price you pay. Of course, when you buy like a used car, you expect some things to be like not decent, but this one overall, it's so nice. It's decent. I'm quite sure my wife is gonna complain a little bit of the smell because she's very particular with smell. But overall, it's like it's great. There it has all the infotainment. It's great. Now you have navigation. You have you know, all the Bluetooth thing. You have cool and heated seats, which is a big deal. And just the finish of this thing is like so nice. For a daily driver, you cannot beat. Of course, I'm gonna wipe it off, make sure it's clean. More than everything, this car, it's gonna just help our family. The truck was great for a while, but you know, when you go, you know, long travels and everything else, my wife doesn't really mind to go with a truck, but she really needs something, and she likes all those kind of SUVs. And I make sure that, you know, I did make sure that she get everything she wants, and that's what she wants. So we are happy. I mean, I hope she's happy, and I like the look at it. It's like, you know, we don't see that much. You guys know we had a Nissan Rogue before, but now it's just like, it's a step up. We don't want any car payments, and that's it. This was more to show you guys the process of buying a car. We didn't see the car was delivered like in my driveway. I don't think it gets any better, and the best thing is they disclose every single tax you pay on it. So that's a big deal for me, at least. I hope it is for you. I hope it's helpful. Carvana didn't pay anything to me to say this. So if Carvana see this video, so I think you should sponsor me. I like to share whenever I have like a good experience, and this was a good one, right? So I hope you guys enjoy. You guys probably gonna see this a lot here on the channel, and that's why I need to share with you all. I hope you guys enjoy, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.